You've built your life on comebacks, but what if this time you didn't fall off? What would happen if you actually followed through? You always start strong. You change your routine, clean up your diet, cut off distractions, you lock in like a man on a mission. And then life calms down, your urgency fades, and that's when that little voice creeps in. You know, the one that says, you've been doing good, you deserve a break. So then you skip a workout, you stay up late one night, and then the next thing you know, now you're back at square one telling yourself you'll start Monday. But deep down, you're tired of starting over. Here's what nobody told you. You don't fall off because you're weak. You fall off because your body's addicted to chaos. You were raised in survival mode. That's why you're always so tense, always alert. And so now, when life finally gives you peace, your nervous system panics because it doesn't feel safe and calm because it's unfamiliar. So your brain tries to find ways to recreate that tension through procrastination, drama, or quitting. Anything to feel familiar again. That's why you only grind when you're heartbroken or desperate. But you have to learn how to perform under pressure, but never stay consistent at peace. Peace isn't going to feel natural at first. That's why structure is your secret weapon. That means waking up at the same time every day, eating the same meals, the same grind, because repetition is how warriors are built. Let's stop chasing intensity and start chasing winning streaks. One day at a time, then rolls into 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. You've been rewarding chaos, but let's start rewarding control. Start looking at boring as proof that it's working, because not every day is going to be epic, and that's the test. If you need the world to burn just for you to lock in, then you're never going to hold the life you want. You don't need another comeback, you need not to fall off ever again. So lock in quietly and let the results speak for themselves. Subscribe to the channel if you're done starting over.